back to my channel. Today I am going to be stuffing my bills binder. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. My name is Cindy. I am the budgeting nurse. A little bit about me. I haven't told you guys about me in a while. I am a hospice nurse and I currently really love my job. But okay, so I'm gonna start the money. So let's count it out. So 100, 200, 300, 400. I hope you guys can see that. 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 600, 1, 2, and 3. So $603 are going to be going into my bills binder. All right, you guys, so we're going to start off with rent. Oh my God, these binders, you guys, they don't stay open. Here we go. Okay, rent. Rent is going to get $350. So here's 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 45, and 50. So $350. And these are starting off for the month of April, because I am a month ahead now. So there's $350, and I stuff these weekly, you guys. Internet is gonna get $16. So 5, 10, 15, 16. So you guys, remember my last video, I told you guys me and my fiance were juicing vegetables, and we were gonna do like that reset. So yesterday was the first day, and it was a little harder than we thought. Phone is gonna get 17. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. I don't know. We watched the documentary, like I told you guys, Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. And we were like, oh, this looks easy. It looks like we can do it. You guys, if you guys ever do decide to juice vegetable juice and literally only have that for the day, it's a lot harder than it looks. But I do want to tell you guys, we did make it successfully through day 1. Today is day 2, and we are about a little more than halfway, and we are doing okay. Today's a lot better than yesterday. I think it's the first day that you need to get over, and then the rest of the days, like, they'll get better. Gym is gonna get $5. Netflix is gonna get $20. Hulu is gonna get $5. Savings is gonna get $50. So here's 20, 40, 45, 50. Miscellaneous is not gonna get anything today. Groceries is also not going to get anything, although I think next week I'm going to start stuffing it because I am all out of my EBT money. My PEBT, so that's okay. Gas is going to get $100. This week I do work, so this will be for gas this week. And you guys, I don't know what's going on. I'm still covering 2 sections, and I'm not sure why, but now it's no longer San Francisco, it's now San Jose. So I don't know. And what kills me is that I really like what I do, so I'm in between, like, do I leave, do I stay, what do I do? But at the same time, they shouldn't be taking advantage of me, right? All right, spending is gonna get 40. So I believe it's the rest. So 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. This paycheck, I didn't make much to give myself $50, but I'll take 40. It's better than nothing. And I normally don't spend it all, but the rest that I do, I end up just, I end up putting it in my savings. So I don't roll it over to anything. I just put it in my savings, and that is it. All right, you guys, I know this video was really short. I just wanted to stuff my bills before I spent the money on random things, and then I have no money for my bills. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.